Most people get this wrong. They think making money from a phone in 2026 requires special skills, expensive tools, or years of experience. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your phone is already enough, but only if you use the right methods instead of random apps that waste your time. In this video, you'll learn realistic ways to make money from your phone in 2026, with no experience, how beginners actually start, and what works step by step. Let's jump in. First, understand this. Your phone is not the moneymaker. Your actions are. That means simple skills like posting content, doing small freelance tasks, or selling digital services can turn into income if you stay consistent. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first method is short-form content creation. You can use apps like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to create simple videos. You do not need to show your face. You can use voiceovers, text clips, or basic editing. A beginner like Jake might start by posting phone tips or motivational clips. Over time, these videos can earn money through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. But here's the problem most people face. They expect results in a few days. In reality, consistency for at least 30 to 90 days is what starts building momentum. The second method is freelancing directly from your phone. Apps like Fiverr let you offer simple services like writing captions, editing short videos, or creating thumbnails. You can literally start with free mobile apps for editing and design. A student like Alex can begin with small $5 tasks and grow from there. Now here's where it gets interesting. You do not need advanced skills to start freelancing. You just need one small skill and practice. Many people earn their first money just by learning basic editing or writing from YouTube tutorials. The third method is micro-earning and task apps. Apps like Swagbucks or similar reward-based platforms pay users for simple tasks like surveys, testing apps, or watching content. This is not high income, but it is a good starting point for beginners who want pocket money. But here's the reality check. If you want serious income, you should not rely only on task apps. They are stepping stones, not full careers. Now let's talk strategy. Pick one method and stick to it for at least 30 days. If you choose content creation, post daily. If you choose freelancing, focus on one skill and improve it. If you choose apps, treat them as practice, not long-term income. The biggest mistake beginners make is switching too fast. They try everything and master nothing. To wrap it up, making money from your phone in 2026 is real, simple, and possible for beginners. But only if you focus, stay consistent, and avoid shortcuts. If this helped you, hit like, comment what method you want to try, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides like this.